This lesson is for those who know nothing about the Japanese language. In this How to Pronounce Japanese section, the goal is to be able to sing Japanese songs. We have already finished learning about the sounds of Japanese, but I would like to talk about the characters for the last time. Because in the beginning, you will always look at the letters while pronouncing the words. 始まり, 始まり. As you all know, for those who cannot read hiragana, the Latin alphabet is used to read Japanese. This is called romaji. The writing system of romaji is not completely standardized, and the Hebon style of romaji, which is closer to actual pronunciation, is the most common internationally, but it should be noted that there are many Japanese who do not understand this correctly. It is also often confused by a mixture of various factors, such as historical notation, pronunciation, computer input methods, and English-like notation. In this channel, I use the common Hebon style of notation. The particle O is O rather than WO. WO has a historical basis, but the modern pronunciation is O, and WO is not a correct notation for pronunciation. Another Japanese alphabet is Katakana. Both hiragana and katakana together are called kana. Katakana has the same function as hiragana. Hiragana and katakana are like the upper and lower case letters of the Latin alphabet. Katakana is mainly used to write foreign words, unknown objects, and onomatopoeia. I talked a little about it in the tone issue. Hiragana characters are round, while katakana characters are squarish or pointed. This is directly related to our impression of things. Among onomatopoeia, hiragana is used for gentle and emotional sounds, while katakana is used for rhythmic and sharp sounds. Hira Hira, Hira Hira, Shakin, Shakin. Kanji characters are difficult for foreigners or even for Japanese. It is an ideogram, a character with a meaning for each one. Needless to say, they are Chinese characters. Using them in Japanese sentences makes the meaning easier to understand and read. If you can't write it, you can substitute hiragana or katakana. But if you can't read it, you can surely be in trouble. So books that are kind to beginners often have the reading instructions written in small kana characters above the kanji. In this channel, Japanese sentences are always accompanied by romaji, but not usually in Japanese lyric sheets. So learn the characters little by little. Now, after all the lessons up to today, you can pronounce Japanese. To speak smoothly, you need to know the pitch accent of each word, but you don't need that for singing. Now you can sing Japanese songs. Congratulations! That's it for today. If you see this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. おしまい。